already. Okay, so first, where should I start this one?
For network topology, how to do?
Okay, so for network, you must create like maybe three routers. Yeah, because three routers, maybe sometimes we'll make like five network, but if you want to make it four network also can. So first you make three routers there.
Yeah.
And then the next thing is you take the switch there. No, the switch. You know which one is this? This one. Yeah. Yeah. So you take the switch, three switch there. And then you take two PC for each of the switch. Yeah.
Okay.
And then you connect it with the connection. This one.
This one. One by one.
It's always like that. You must create one network, you must like create like one connection to them.
Okay. Then. Then.
Router to router need to connect also.
Router to router.
Yeah, because maybe it's not enough space. So you do like this. Let me see. Or maybe don't use this port because this port maybe might have not enough space.
Okay.
So maybe you just delete this tree and then choose the other one.
Which one? This one line.
You choose one first. You delete this tree. Okay, and then for router, let me see. Which one you should choose? This one here.
This one.
Yeah. This one you choose 3. Okay, you click this one. Okay, now you connect.
See or not?
Or how about this? This one, you disconnect this one. You click this one, you open the router. Open the router and let me see. You go down. You add this one, WIC2T. Make sure you off first. This one off. You drag this one to here.
This one to?
Here.
Yeah.
And then you on back. Close. Do the same thing as the 2 router.
Here?
Same. Okay, so now you can. Yeah, it's like this.
Okay.
need to put out the IP address for each of the devices and routers.
Oh.
So let's say for our IP prefix is 192.168, and the subnet mask is basically the same with the 255.255.255.
What is 196? What is 196?
192.168.
What is that?
That one is the example IP prefix.
Where to put?
Yeah, so for each of the PCs and routers, you need to put one address. So for PC, you go to desktop, IP config, and then put the IP address.
Right.
So let's say this network will become 192.168.1.x. So means 100.1 something. You can put 2 also can, don't put 0. That one is network.
1 lah.
Can also.
Okay, good.
Okay, for subnet masks, when you click it, it will auto set it already, so no need to worry. So you set like this first, you close back, and then go to the other PCs.
Close only, huh?
You close first.
One 192.168.1.2.
Okay. So now this one is the second network, so you need to set in .2 or something.
192.168.2.
Nice. Okay. Okay, so now you set the router's IP address. For this one, you haven't seen it. You cannot see a label here because you need to know which IP address they want. You want to set this one, right? So you need to know what is the label for this one. You go to the wheel. If they don't show any, you go to the wheel. You go to the options, preference, and then you make sure the always show port label is ticked, so they can see this one the serial number 00. Okay, so now you need to set this IP address here, which is FA00. You open, and then you go to the FA00. You set the IP address. So this one need to use .1.
192.168.1.1.
Now you cannot use 1 already because you already have the PC. So now subnet mask same, and then this one on. Okay, so that means this port here already on in status on already.
Okay.
Okay, now let me see. Okay, so now you set the IP address here.
Close.
No. For this IP address, you choose the SE00, which is 000.
68.
And then you cannot use 1 because it's already in this network. Since this one is another network already.
4.
You can put 4 also can. 4.1. On, and then for this one is serial, right? So you need to choose the clock rate. The clock rate usually choose is 64,000 or 128 or something. So just put 128,000. Okay, and then close. Now you do for the next router.
Same lah, don't
This one, and then you put back.
Okay.
Okay, you check this one is FS0, so choose this one and then put the IP address.
192.168.2.3.
Okay. Because here got 1, 2 already.
Okay, 1D. Then I go to serial.
Serial 00 here. That one later. Do this one first.
192.168.5.
This one is 4, right? No, you cannot put 5. You must put 4 because they are in the same network. 4.2 because here got 1 already. And then you on this one and then choose the port rate. Okay. Now you do the one more order.
Mm.
192.
Yeah.
This one is, I think it's 3, right? 192.166.3. Okay. Dot 3 dot 3. Oh wait, just in case. You open this one first. This one open, and then you go to this one. No, 071. Okay. So you set this one first, then you can set the one. So this one will be another network already. So put 5 lah. Then so this one need to change also. 128. Okay. Now you can set for that one.
This one serious, Siri, 5 lah.
Yeah, because this one 5 already, so this also need to set 5.
2.
Okay, so now everything set already. So now, that one. So now need to do is to set the static route.
No, wait.
Is that?
Now what you did, the subnet mask? Find it.
The subnet is the 255 one.
Okay. Then range address.
Range address, wait, let me see. So for range address, because here got many address, so you need to choose. So which one you want to choose?
If the lecturer say choose, I don't know.
Because last night I got told that to find the range address, you must have the network address and the broadcast address. If let's say that if you choose either one of the address, so you first need to find the network address first.
Okay, wait. Now they ask to find range address. After that, find the IP address and net mask.
IP address and net mask is already right already.
Got it.
Go already for each of the IP address and net mask already.
You just assume the range. You just put aside first. Then must do the routing.
Routing, that's the thing that we need to do, no?
Okay, now we do that one first.
Because routing got a lot of routing, or you want to do the static route or the default route or IP.
Now they say everything must ping, router and PC, all ping there. Right.
Not all of them because this PC don't know this PC, this PC also don't know this PC.
Must do that one also lah.
This one will be related with the task.
Okay, now static route lah.
Yeah, because static load is the main point for them to connect this PC with the PC in a different network. So for us, in order to do the static routes, for each of the router need to do this router, this network and this network. That means you have to do 2 times, I think. Yeah, 2 times. So go to the router here, and then you can see the routing here got static, right? So go to static. So these 3 is the things that we need to connect. So first one is the network, means the network address. Second one is the subnet mask. Third one is the next hop for the IP address. So we go to the first one, the network address. So what you want to, which area that you want to connect? So we check here. So let's try to connect this network first. So for this network, all of them is in 192.168.2, right? So you put 192.168.2.0. Yeah. For every network, the behind here number always have 0. So next thing is the subnet mask. So for subnet mask, all of them are using the same. So this one also the same also.
255. Dot
255.0. Okay, for next hop, you need to choose, and you need to know the IP address that connected from this router, so that you can go through to this network. So from here you can see this. We have to use this address here, so that you can connect to here. So you need to put this address. So this address is what is it? 4.2, what is it?
5. Yeah, 4.
Here 5 so here 4. So here you put 192.168.4.2. Okay, yeah, then you add. Okay, so this are only the first network that you want to connect. Now you go to the second network. So for second network, this one, don't close it, because you have to do this router first one. So now you go to so this one you change to 3, because this one will use 3.
5.
No, because they all go to the this one, right?
4 lah.
So I still need to put 4.
That's all. Okay.
So now you do the second one.
Close.
Yeah, this one close.
Now do this one.
Yeah, this one.
Routing. Okay. Dia ketuk pintu bilik dia sekali . After that.
So now network address, you need to connect this area network.
Okay. 192.168.1.0.
1255. And then for next hop is the IP address right here.
I
think it's dot 4.1. Because I have to call to here so they can go here. And then now you have to do this one.
Third.
Dot 3, yeah.
No,
dot F first. Because this one need to connect from this network, this IP address. So this one you should put dot 5.2. Okay, and then you get. So now do the last one. Close this one.
Sure.
So now this network needs to connect this network and this network.
Dot.
So we do this network first. So dot what?
1.
Dot 1.0. And then where we should let him to go through. So we should go through from here. Dot 5.1.
Okay.
And then for next network, which is this one. So for this one is .2.0. And then also same because need to go through from here. So add. No.
Okay.
Okay, now everything is placed already. So now what you want to do is either you can do both to prove if it ping to the other PC or not. First one is you can use this one to see the message run. If it can go from here to here. So let's try this one. Try to go to here. Go here. Where is it? Is it this one? This one. So you can see this one from PC to this router can connect up because they are in the same network. So now you try this one from here to here. In progress, it means that it's still running. Fail ones is normal. You go to try again. This one, go this one. Still in progress, fail.
2 times fail, no normal.
2 times fail, no normal. Okay, so let me see. Try to check back all the IP address to make sure it's correct. The gateway need to put. So for gateway, need to put from this address here.
Gateway is?
Gateway is the address that started from router to PC. So for this network, for this PC, need to connect from this router at the IP address. So 192.168.1.3. Okay, then you close this one. You do this one also. I mean all the PCs default gateway haven't free yet, so I think you do all. 1.3. This one is the second network. You do the other one. 192.168.2.3. So close.
Two dot three. And 2.168.3.3. 192.168.3.3.
Close. Yeah, everything's set already. Okay. So now you try to run this one. This one to make it time faster. So now you try to do this one again. From here to here. Okay, one more time. This one, here to here. So here PC 0 to PC 2. This one and this one, successful. Now you try this one from here to here.
Yeah.
Because every single PC fail one time is normal. Because you need to run, you need to know like the direction. Just like if you want to go.
Okay, successful. Time, right? Enough. Successful.
So this one also from here to here. Yeah, so for every single PC you must run 2 times. Or maybe you can try this. You go to the PC here. Command prompt. Here you can write you can run the ping. Yeah. So you need to put the ping and then IP address.
192.168.
2.1.
2.
Okay, also good. Yeah, got the running time, that means it's okay already.
Ping 192.168.3.2.
3.2.
Huh? Okay there.
Yeah, you run again. Now okay already. Because first time it's always times up. And then the second time you'll find a way already.
Okay, now everything is okay there.
Yeah.
Then
So this one, that's it for steady lock.
finish. Okay guys, Kevin said this one only, so pandai-pandai lah follow. I try my best to help everyone, not Kevin. Can you see?